Cake simple. Ito na po yung ating maple cake. Ready. Milk. Evap. 1 egg. 1/4 cooking oil. Vanilla. Mix lang natin ito hanggang sa mag-combine all ingredients. Mga powder. 1 cup all-purpose flour. Sasalain lang natin. 1 tablespoon na baking powder. Teaspoon na salt. 1/3 cup of white sugar. And mix lang natin until to combine all ingredients. Muffin cake simple. Ano lang natin? Ayun ang takalan cup na 1/4. Natin lahat, pupunuin natin ng ganyan. Hindi natin pupunuin yung pinaka-cup niya. Lang para maging ano siya. Yung budol. Ayan lang, ulitin lang natin lahat guys. Preheated oven 5 minutes. Then bake natin ng 18 to 20 minutes.
Is in 180 degrees.
Pancake simple. Ito na po yung ating maple cake. Ready.
Cake. Wow, ang kanyang texture is so fluffy at so good. Cake na cake talaga ang kanyang lasa. Tama lang yung sugar niya. This is as good as perfect. Yummy. And please follow my Facebook page also, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you buy something, please click the yellow basket in my TikTok shop. Thank you, everyone. Bye.